Hey Glenn, what's going on, man? Oh, that protein powder is gross. There, I can see my chat now. Hey, just found your channel. What type of strategy do you trade? So I trade mostly off the 5 minute chart. I trade NASDAQ, I trade YM, I trade uh, stocks, but mainly I have a couple of mechanical trades that I trade, Glenn. On the YM, I'll trade what I call a school run trade, 9:45 breaks. NQ, I basically just kind of read the 5 minute price action where I look for Harambe candles, inside candles, things like that. I trade, initial balance highs and lows, breaks of those, just whatever I see. What kind of strats do you trade, Glenn? You an ICT trader or? Yeah, cool. Whatever makes you money, right? Most of the streamers I listen to are all ICT traders. I just don't personally trade ICT stuff. I mean, maybe I do and I don't know it, but most of my strats are just from observations and things like that. I look for trend line breaks, things like that. Just, whatever I see. Things like that. Break of a trend. Yeah, clean charts. Yep. Yeah, sometimes I'll have the VWAP on here. I do have the initial balance high and low. On the ES, I'll look at the volume profile, initial balance high and low. So yeah, I'm just working on this evaluation down here. This is the funded account. We're up 1,100, almost 1,200 bucks in that today on the funded. And I think the Apex accounts are green today too. Oh, we just took a $1,700 payout on the Take Profit Pro account. But guess what, guys? I blew it today. So, but we got 17. Yeah, I think about almost $1,800 out of it before I smoked it. Man, I just bought this new protein powder and it is horrible. I'm gonna have to suffer through this for a month. So cool, Glenn. I'm glad you found my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna do some more live streaming. I've just been kind of taking a break with the live streaming and kind of focusing on my accounts and things. But I want to get start getting more consistent with it. Let me just get acclimated with the charts here a little bit. I just got back from the gym. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, so I've been streaming in the mornings and stuff, but I'm trying to figure out what time to do my streaming. The mornings are just so flooded with streamers. It's, which, it's cool. Because I'm a big fan of all this big streamers as well, so. But when you're a new guy, it's hard to, get noticed if everyone else is streaming at the same time. So. So how's everyone else doing today? You guys green or red or mixed? I'm pretty mixed today. I think I'm pretty much break even for the day as far as my personal account, funded accounts, and then some I bought some evaluations, so might be down a little bit. Feels heavy, don't it? Makes you wonder when we're gonna fill this giant gap from the news. Doesn't have to be today, obviously, but eventually we'll probably get down in there. We are below initial balance low. I'm 950-ish on my short trade from 2137 to take the lows. Not sure if it'll get there. Very nice. 3370, yeah. It's a nice trade. What kind of ICT concepts do you trade, Glenn? You IFVG trader, or are you turtle soups, or do you trade like one particular strategy? Like Methodical Man, I don't know if you know Methodical Man, like he trades the IFVGs. So in case you guys are new here, I am working on an evaluation and I trade them super aggressively. So just be aware, it's not really like my normal trading that I use on my funded accounts. I'd like to try to get them over with very quickly. $340, huh? So this is my funded futures. So I think I have to have it closed by 4:12, 4:15. Setting 1 hour open, high, and close with 5-minute chart. Order block to form that to try to keep it simple. Oh, okay, that's cool. So you do like a top-down approach with the 1 hour. Yeah, I hear a lot of people talking about that top-down approach with the 1 hour, or even the 4 hour. But mostly, day trading is, they go by the 1 hour. So we're just chopping around this initial balance low here. I do see more room to the downside personally, unless I'm just scalping long. Yes, 4 hour, yep. Nice. How long you been trading futures, Glenn? A year? Yeah, nice. Well, I've only been profitable with futures for about a year. I got profitable it's been a year. I think I got my first payout last February. I've been trading futures, well, kind of on and off since 2021. But I started with a personal account, and then I still trade a personal account, but then moved to prop firms with them. When I first signed on, the price action was looking pretty good, and then now we're just kind of chopping around here. Yeah, for sure, Glenn.
Order filled.
I'd like to see it. I mean, it does feel heavy, but I feel like if we can get up back above the initial balance low, then we can get into this gap. Don't seem to want to go. We break below 312 and we're done. Oh, we're gonna get stopped out probably. Unless we just sweep this previous candle and
Stop filled.
no, that didn't work. Fred, what's happening, man? It's good to see you. Coach Fred in the house. Yeah, I just got back from the gym, Fred, so I just decided to hop on for a bit. Just working on this evaluation. It's a smash or pass, so. Yeah, it was a little wild. Oh, this morning was horrible. I thought this morning was just horrendous. All this mess right here. For like an hour. This killed me. I ended up catching this long here. We're at like 10:45. Ended up catching that long. Caught that and I was done. I was like, no, that just killed all my brain power. So what did it do? Bottom tick me and then go back up? You still trading, Fred, or are you done? Can't drink this with it. Still trading? Yeah. We don't stop until the bell rings, right? Yeah, so yeah, it's been a little rough this week. P&L wise, it's been okay. I'm up a couple grand net profits after resets and personal account and payouts and all that. I'm up for the month, but I did go through some Apex accounts, and I finally blew my take profit account. You still in this short, Glenn? This is a nice short from 370. Nice. Yeah, we could, it's very possible we take out the lows. Do only have 10 minutes, but, you know, it's not uncommon to get that rug pull at the end of the day. Yeah, that's probably a pretty good plan. Yeah, you're in pretty good profits. You're up about 70 points, so nice trade. Look at that algo candle coming in about a minute and a half. I'd be curious to see what it does. It's really coming down now. Let's look left. So we're only about I don't know what I was gonna say. Here's the second algo candle. Are we just gonna keep dumping here? Jesus, should have just went with a momentum short. Would have passed this combine. Here we go, about to test the lows here. Could try for a bounce off it, but I really think we could break through it. That's the problem, especially with the giant news candle here. There's a little bounce off the low. I'm reckoning we break through it, huh? I'm gonna try for it. Heck with it. I'm gonna add 2. My stop is my daily loss limit, just so everyone knows. It's just the evaluation, so. Keep dumping. Nice trade, Glenn. 108 points, can't beat that. Did you do it in a funded account or your personal account or an evaluation or what? It's good 2,100 bucks with 1 mini. Don't do that. Come on. Let's break through and keep going. Nice, Glenn. I don't like I was hesitating there. So 1 minute before the actual market closes, but then I think I can trade this till 4:10 or 4:15, but yeah, Coach Fred. Yeah, so I like to, I don't know, sometimes it all just depends on like how I'm feeling that day or whatever. Like if I'm trading combines like this or evaluations, then I tend to do like that trailing stop thing real quick, but I usually like wait for it to go 10 points and then I start trailing. But it's all like a feel on momentum, if that makes sense. I really should have held it. See, pretty much below 220, we start getting into that gap. What was that, CPI? I think it was CPI, right? Or PPI, CPI, I think. Oh, you use a 10 tick chart on NQ? Oh, wow. Yeah, I can see that could be exhausting trading that all day. I mean, just even the 1 minute kills me. I can't even look at the 1 minute. Although I have been telling myself that I want to start studying the 1 minute a little more. Especially for streaming. Oh, nice. 30-second and the 5 minute, you're right. Hey, Andrew, what's happening? Not too bad. Not too bad. We got another payout today. And then I blew the account. But yeah, it's been okay. We're up on the My Funded Future starter account. $1,200 or so. And then the bottom one here is an evaluation. Payouts is where it's at, for sure. Yeah, I was just a little bummed just because that Take Profit Trader account, I mean, I really didn't want to lose it, but I got tilty. I'll show you. Oh, I guess I can't. So this is what we got going in the wallet, but yeah, I was taking pretty consistent daily payouts with it. And yeah. So I got so it's kind of a bummer, but I did get another 25K account. Because with the DLL gone, the Take Profit Trader, I don't really mind the 25Ks. I'm gonna try it. I hit the 50% consistency on the eval today, and yeah, we're gonna see how it works. But with the previous DLL with the $500 loss limit, I was like, nah, that's way too tight. But now there's no DLL, so. Yeah, Glenn, so with Take Profit Trader, so once you get over the profit buffer zone, so like with a 50K account, it's $2,000. So once you reach $52,000 in that account, then anything above that, you can take a daily payout. Oh, that sucks, Fred. Well, you probably saw my story the other day where they canceled my account, right? They not canceled it, but they deactivated my funded account. Said I left an order on after 5 o'clock. Yeah. Well, I ended up getting it back because it was a Trade-Evate mistake. Well, I did the same thing with a past Take Profit Trader 100K account, and I left. I just showed my brother. My brother stopped in, and I showed him. I go, look, I just passed this 100K account this morning, and you know, I said, cool. We went downstairs. I was hanging out. I come back, the account's gone. It said that I hit daily loss limit. I'm like, what the heck? I was closed. I closed my account. Like everything was flat. Well, now I'm questioning that big time. And I'm positive that they would have got rid of my funded account if I didn't contact support. because I was on 0 Day J's stream, literally called out a trade on the stream just for funsy on the take profit, and it was one of those lucky ones. Like, I got lucky on the trade because we got some weird spiked candle and I didn't have a stop in, and I was like, holy cow, and it actually went my way, and I was like, that was dumb. Anyways, but then I closed out the trade and I exited it all. I went up here and I exited all positions, and I said, I'm done for the day. And then about 8 o'clock that night, I get an email saying my account's been deactivated because of leaving a position on overnight. I was like, what? And it wasn't the case. It was... I'll actually show you. It's still up there on my... So this is the payout account I was getting. So I was getting daily payouts on this account. And if you look on the how am I doing, it says don't hold a position over 1700 Eastern. It's still on there, even though I got the account back. But today I blew it because I was an idiot. So it's unfortunate, but we had a good run with it. Feels bad. Yeah, I know. And like you said, like the take profit trader accounts are such a bitch because of the 5 days, you know, and it's just, they're hard. But I tell you right now that, like, I'm gonna try to not go overboard and, like, you know, go all in and try to pass another take profit trader account. But I am gonna try to work on getting another one, because I can tell you those daily payouts is sweet. You get those daily payouts, and then as you're trying to build up like an Apex accounts or Buellanox accounts or My Funded Futures or Top Steps, and then, you know, where you have to trade them for 5 to 10 days. So you're trying to build those up, but, you know, with the take profit traders, is like you can get a little bit in the bank every day. And it always feels good to pay yourself every day, because it actually feels like you're making money. It's like when I make like this on this funded account, like $1,200, like I don't feel like I made $1,200, because, you know, to me it's, until I actually hit the payout button, it's not really real. So, but with a personal account or take profit trader, the daily payout was sweet. Hey, thanks for the sub, Omega. Yeah, the 100K, the 100Ks are sweet too. I know that's Trading with Travis's favorite account with Take Profit Trader, is the 100Ks. So it looks like we're not going to pass this evaluation today. It's like I think the market with My Funded Future closes in any minute. Probably, I think 4:12 my time. But yeah, the 100K is really sweet. But I have been looking at them a little bit differently now with the daily loss limits are gone. And it's funny because I just made that video about daily loss limits, not using your account as a daily loss limit. And then what did I do? Use my account as a daily loss limit. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever break that habit. So we continue to come down. We are at that 220 level, which is, if you look left, right at the getting into this gap here. We do have this giant wick here, but yeah, we're getting into this news candle, which is pretty interesting. Wasn't so sure it was gonna happen today, that we were gonna fill that, but apparently it's trying to now. I don't know if it's 415 or 412 that you have to be liquidated. Should have just stayed or gotten that short with Glenn and rode it all the way down. I would have been passed easily. But in hindsight, right? Hey, Liquidated, what's going on, man? We're doing pretty good. Pretty good. I see your channel's, you're getting quite a bit of subs, which is pretty awesome. It's growing. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Congrats. Yeah, we're averaging, since I've started, I think I average about two or three subs a day. I tend to get more subs when I put out short videos. I just want to get better at making the short videos. I want to get the quality up. Boy, they're really coming down. I should have just pushed sell and then let My Funny Future liquidate me when it happens. So we get a bounce off that 200 level. Oh wow, 9,500 bucks. Well, you're sending that 300K though. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's a good day, Liquidated. Wow. I had a 300K Apex accounts once. I never got a payout from it, but I remember I got lucky and I passed it, you know, with one trade, but some heavy trade, yeah. Well, I felt like this morning was tough for me. This right here, I didn't catch this move, and then this got real choppy for me, and I kind of got, I mean, I ended up catching a long here, but this I was getting frustrated. Yeah, those are so hard to pass one trade. Those 300Ks. Yep, I had one of those once. Yeah, I passed a couple of those and some of the, like back when it was probably earlier last summer when they had 90% off. I just recently got back with Apex. I'm giving them another shot. I've never been denied a payout from them, so. But they did make me wait forever. The last time I was with them, I don't remember the last time I got a payout. It might have been early summer with Apex, and they made me wait. Like, it pissed me off because they made me wait until my rebill. Because I didn't have a lifetime account. I had the rebill account. Um, Trying to remember how I did it. There's something you have to do. Liquidate it. Let me. I know I had to watch like some YouTube videos on it, and there's like something you have to do where you have to put Streamlabs as the moderator, but I'm not 100. Let me see. I think I used this tutorial here. I don't know if you can see that. And then this one's by Streamlabs, the CloudBot commands. But yeah, I watched a bunch of them. It took me a few days to figure it out. Oh, that's funny. Look, December 1st, I gave up. December 10th, gave up. December 13th, December 15th, and then January 5th, I finally figured it out. And to be honest with you, I wish I could help you more, but I'm such an idiot when it comes to that stuff. But yeah, I tried forever. I don't know, it's like, it was ridiculous. I can't trade on the My Funded Futures account anymore. It's past the time. Let's see what I got. I know, liquidated. It comes to that kind of stuff. It's like I gotta walk away for a minute, for a day or two. So I mean, I know it's boomer stuff. Like the older I get, and then it's like it comes to the technologies and. I got frustrated with trying to edit my YouTube shorts, trying to move my camera so it's vertical. I got so frustrated. But I got someone that's gonna help me with that, so I just gotta get back to it. I just been trying to focus on my trading and making some money, more than the channel, to be honest. So the overnight should be interesting, whether or not we fill this gap and get it down into here. Should be pretty interesting. Pretty interesting Asian market. Oh, for sure, yeah. Shorts is where it's at. That's why I ended up starting a TikTok. Never in my life did I ever think I'd have a TikTok. But I started that TikTok and yeah, I was like, couldn't believe it. Although I don't get many followers on the TikTok. Oh, you got a Discord now? Yeah, I started one as well, but I haven't gone live with it yet. I'm always hanging out in 0 Day J's Discord. and 0 Day J's Discord and Kellyanne's Discord, and I like Yoma's. Sometimes I'll go in Joey Morgan's Discord. I'll join it right now, Liquidated. I'm looking for it right now. Huh, for some reason Liquidated is not. Nope, that ain't it. A Joey Morgan Fred, yeah. Yeah, he's another YouTube streamer. Yeah, he used to come on this chat all the time. He's actually got like 6,000 or 7,000 followers on YouTube, subscribers. I mean, he used to come on this chat, but I don't know. I pissed him off, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, he live streams. He's got some. He's got a pretty active Discord. He's got a lot of people in there. I don't know, Liquidated. I don't know why your link don't work. I'm trying to get into your Discord, and for some reason it doesn't. Hey, O1. O11. However you say it. So I got into trading. So back probably 10 years ago, I started doing a lot of swing trading. I don't know why. I just kind of fell into swing trading stocks when I was working full time. Mainly when I was a mail carrier. And then back in 2021, I guess it was just during the pandemic, you know. It's like when a lot of people got into day trading. My brother just kind of said, "Hey, you ever looked into this futures trading?" And I was like, "No." And yeah, so I looked into it and started doing it back in 2021. I was trying to day trade stocks and things like that. And my brother at the time, my brother didn't have any money to do like actual stock trading, day trading, because of the PDT rule, which you need like 25K, you know, to avoid that. And with futures, you don't need that, so you don't have to have a lot of capital to get started with futures. So yeah, so that's how I just kind of fell into that. And I started with my brother always traded ES. He doesn't actually trade anymore. He gave up on it. And I'm still doing it. Still grinding at it. But yeah, futures is where it's at, especially compared to stocks, you know. It's just... You can make all the money in the world with just futures. But you can also make a living just trading Tesla. You know? And some people do. That's the main thing, you know. It's just you pick a stock, pick a instrument like ES or YM or gold or oil or NASDAQ and just stick with it. See, I have strategies where I trade YM, but I don't act like if I'm trying to pass an evaluation and stuff, I don't really trade it. I just have a few mechanical strategies I trade with the YM, and then same with oil. But NASDAQ's where it's at for me. It's where I make the most money, and it's where I lose the most money. It's a different animal, that's for sure. So yeah, I appreciate everyone stopping in. I don't really have an account to trade, but I'm just hanging out. Figured I'd hop on for an hour or two, let everyone know that I'm still alive, still kicking. All right, man. All right. 011. Oh, that's weird. Liquidated, so it expired. Yeah, it's weird. Hey, thanks for the sub, Tim Cromwell. Thanks, man. So yeah, that's what it does. That's what it looks like on. I click on your link, liquidated. Does that. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna probably fire up a Discord as well. Work on that. Give a nice safe place for everyone to hang out, talk strategies, show you P&Ls. But I'm always in 0 Day J's Discord. And you guys can always hit me up in the DMs on Discord as well. It's Pine Tree Trader. I don't have it on my phone because I try to disconnect from it, but you know, a couple times a day, I do get on there and check my messages and things. So. Yeah, it's definitely, it fits my personality, Tim. Yep, we got OPEX tomorrow. Let's check see what we got tomorrow. What we got going on. Really not, pretty quiet tomorrow. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, so if I'm trying to pass an evaluation, you know, I'm definitely using NQ. It's how I pass most of my evaluations. So I'm thinking it could be pretty good action tonight. 6 o'clock. The Asian markets. I think we're going to come down and so we're already getting into testing this news candle here at 8:30. So I have a feeling we're going to get down into this gap and could have some action. I don't usually trade the Asian market, but yeah, Stock Tiger. I'll be checking in with Stock Tiger. I've thought about trading or streaming during that time too, Fred, but it's just like, it's kind of like my, you know, it's my downtime, and I don't, if I'm trading it or I'm sitting on front of the TV on my laptop, usually working on an evaluation or something. Like I passed a Top Step X valuation last night, trading. Like I passed this last night in the Asian market. I don't know if I could see my. Let's see. There we go. Let's go. Let's go pink. Yeah, this was me trading. This was me passing this evaluation last night. I was going ham on it. This combine. I forget it's Top Step combine. But yeah, I was. So, like, full transparency, like when I'm passing combines or evaluations, I'm trading like every candle. I'm going like full degen. And then once I get my funded account, I try to slow down, you know. But yeah, this is like full degen stuff. But yeah, it was last night, 1400. I guess this was last night. This was just before market closed yesterday. And then I got the 1500 there, and then I got another 1500 here. So yeah, so I'll be activating that tonight. Back with Top Step. It's been a while since I've gotten the payout with Top Step, so. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me, guys. So I appreciate everyone stopping in. It was just a quick little stream, just an hour stream. But yeah, I appreciate Tim. All right, man. Oh, thanks, Tim. Appreciate that. Coach Fred, Liquidated, James, all you guys, appreciate it. O11, Andrew, Glenn, thanks for guys stopping in, and all the lurkers as well. Appreciate you guys. All right, that's gonna do it for me. Good luck the rest of the day. Be careful tonight when you're trading, and yeah, stay safe. Peace, guys.